As I said, this is the second part of today's lesson. This is creating the custom folder stuff, you know? We got the boss voice, the background sound, sprite size, whatever you want. So, you can edit the boss sprite to be really small. You can get a boss sprite image URL. You can have GIFs. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a GIF sprite. So what you have to do is you have to go over to your Austale tutorial, GIF sprite code. Take you to this website, and then you just want to select all and copy. So I can't put it in notes, because if I do, then it will be messed up. See, it's messed up. So I have to cut this part out of the video, so I don't leak any personal information. Okay, now we have this out of the way. We have some of these new settings. We even have a new sprite fill-in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little sort of a teaser right here. So this GIF is going to be replaced with a GIF that I already have. So, I will get that now. So GitHub, your boy 81353, songs for Austale, view code. So, if you want to know how to upload this, just watch Snipe Coder's video. If you want to learn how to use the raw stuff, it's all in his video. So I will quickly grab mine. Again, cutting this part out so I don't leak any personal information. GIF sprite space paste, and now we have our GIF. However, we still see there's a boss sprite image URL. Well, that's because index attack 0 uses the regular default boss sprite. So, in order to not have just a sentence appear when you're battling in ink, you just want to get a still image. So, I'll get, and boom, still image. So I actually haven't seen how this looks, so this will be a honest and just a reaction that I haven't shown. It should probably say this right now. The background song URL and boss URL require specific files. The background song URL has to be an MP3, and the boss voice URL has to be a .wav file, or however you say it. So for Samsung users, mostly just anybody that has Google Play, a app that I recommend is Video to MP3 Converter, because not only can you use a video to MP3, you can do a video to WAV. That's how I got the custom Gaster voice in Gaster Blaster Survival. So, that's how all that works. So, now, back on to what we were doing before. Okay, so now that we're here, we also have this Gaster Sprite image URL. So you just same way you did it before with the other ones. And as you see, I have PNGs. I use Photopea. It's a website. Simple to use. All you have to do is just use the magic wand, turn up the intensity to the proper voltage. I don't know the right terminology right now, because it's 6:49 in the morning. And you just either delete it if you're on a computer, or you use the erase if you're on mobile. It surprisingly works on phone. Wish I had known about that, so I could have uploaded Gaster Blaster Survival sooner. But yes. The boss sprite GIF position is very important. The default one is actually pretty good. And then the boss sprite GIF scale, for me, it's usually not good, because it's just the way I make GIFs. So I'll set it to 1. Now I will select all, copy, go back over to Austale, and paste, save. Now I don't know if this will work, because it won't let me open up the GIF. Hopefully it does work. Here we are. Welcome class, how are you today? The sprite looks good. And that looked a little odd. Oh, the sprite size, the GIF size is a little too big. Since the first Gaster Blaster was an orange one, I didn't actually see how it looked properly. So we'll see how it looks now. Ah, yes. I messed up. So you may be wondering, what did I do wrong? I uploaded the Gaster Blaster at a 90-degree angle. I'm an idiot. We'll edit that later, but right now, we will just delete it from existence and focus on the task at hand. So we want to put a 0 point. Let's take a guess at 6.5, shall we? You know, actually, this thing did look a little off compared to the still image. So hopefully this is good. Paste, save, run. So here we are, welcome class, how are you today? Size 7 font, still haven't changed it. So everything here works perfectly the same. So as we see, even the sprite looks the same. However, it is raised a little too high up. So we will have to move it a little down. But other than that, it looks perfectly fine to me. So that concludes today's little part. However, I will be doing a thing with this. Every time that we complete a class, I will show the completed project. So here we go.